Be ingeo wajo jemo yomo chunya tutwal ingeo ba anamere apeny kong piani ingeo kumbiri enini chamo keneno in isho mamigi ke luoy kamoko ma ke luoy ni be chao keneno no peyot tutwal kai kom wang kita wang jo keneno kere wek in chet ka performing ye ka ker ka chal ki luoy wangeni ka ber mogo biachar mogo makon pa wabeluonye ka enene tikien peny mano no je mogo mapetime tima be ye tutwale chalo chata gi no mon machata no ti chalo en ka gangnam mogo kama enoni in kakiluo in ikama kama enoni polkare jemne timoni ning.
Well, me Achel, I listen to my heart. We knew the conviction because ingeo geno polkare weko wan watimu jemi gen magin man lock kere dugu bal is the conviction between chewing down. There is an inner man and then the outer man, which is our flesh. Chamo kana they may heap a lot of money ni achira performing kaberu machalo meno. Chika koma eni is feeling much stronger to go and chunya pemero. I will go and defile myself and I will not be happy for what I have done. Kachunya convicting ani today you go. Kerika chiana neno tiri unyo I am going to perform at a zero cost. I will go no matter where it is. In any way. Piane luba kau chuelini cherkati mugen money and pe wek chero keni. He protects you. Wek chuin mamege chero ahead of you. Chi gen mo kan matimi kuno pere. Because kai chero mere en latanga lata ene you can easily, instead of going to convert down on marriage kikuja wek chuin ge la ka guduk borlo ba ina dog you be reverted. In any way, it's a very bad thing. Yeah.
Kirika wa dolu kiana manak piano watiga chere la peny mukene an Amerika anya minyiglo achela rio mone eneni ingeo ni anma waberka le lo kwan ki la kwatmo ma obero ka lok marachi kom la wot mo achel mabeneti ikirme yope ene chi enober kawachni uno perwata tutwal in ngarmone enoni me chero ka chahwe kama no dano me lobo ka kana ene gitiye mir ini chet kama mano gene chidong ano no argument na ber kama na wani ala kwat angeo mere tika nicha eto maduong eti lobo pian ka yinen kita Bible waini abi weko wundo chero dogo mega kabero o marriage do chero do chicha o makongo yes o wayu kipete ne dong mega kama o rej dong bena bi chero chako dong mako dano be dong me bieno ingo e kit malare chi en kaka egoni kama no inino dan ma mugo chata ye mugo ke tim mugo maraju ti ene en angene tich matek ti ye maka wono cher gwa koni we ma me ku gwa ber ka ti en tutale ken ma no won wer we lega ene ngani en angene oloto rom ketta la e ko padano in pat enoni in gamne.
Well, akubu ki kama waje ni conviction. Ingeo I don't want to judge that pastor. Lobo kiet mano chuin money o weko eno kwere ingeo the spiritual life is very broad and Jimmy Paloba pole you should give yourself as a vessel chi wek chuin Paloba hotel in chamo kene way someone majomo kan gen preaching ka ini bedo ping ma ini dano ma ngeo lok Paloba Twin Paloba can interpret ngat gen manga mo tiga loko. Sometimes you may even be able by the Spirit of God to distinguish ni any ngat tiga tuju jiri makelong. In any way, I'm not trying to judge the pastor, but what I know is Yesu Kristo wa ino chere vu lobo angwen weng. Po wa ini cher kama lu Kristayo ti ye unyo kama ngo. But gospel miero cher kama ke ken. Now it zeroes back to the person who is sending the message. Are you able to go and handle?
Are you prepared?
You know, are you prepared for the backfire? Because the enemies that you are going to attack are not also going to just relent. They are not going to sit and watch you hit them back to back. They will have to throw back the punch. Are you able to quench the strength of their punch? Do you have what it takes? So the Bible tells us in the book of Ephesians 6:10, they put on all the hammer, the full hammer of God, so that you will be able to quell the arrow of the enemies, because we don't fight against flesh and blood. These people in the clubs, they are not our enemies. Those prostitutes are not our enemies. They are not the devil themselves. You understand? Eh? Yeah, the people those robbers, those thieves are not the devil themselves. The Bible says we fight against the principality in the high places. Principalities, these are the spirits, the strong forces. You understand? Eh? So,
Kapenyi ibe Lakwed.
Ingeo ka indong ilare dok initiate palaba. By default, you become a preacher. Either when you are a singer or maybe you are just a verbal preacher like this.
The trial, wabichari. Commercial break ke wadugo apoya.